Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So this particular video is regarding CSIR NEERI or also called as CSIR NEERI, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, which is a constituent laboratory of CSIR. Now there is a recruitment of project associate position and project assistant positions. So I'll be discussing about all the necessary informations which you need to know, like how to apply, what are the eligibility condition, how many posts are there, everything I'm going to discuss in this video. And I would like to thank Chinky Gangwar for informing me about it. Thank you so much, Chinky, for this valuable information. A big shout out to you. Now, without wasting much time, let's continue with our video. All right, so this is the recruitment page of CSIR NEERI and basically CSIR NEERI. And you can come to this page from the link given in the description. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description. You can directly come to this page. Now you just have to scroll a little bit down. Here you can see just make this recruitment type to like non-regular, or you can make it any also. So here you will see the second one for right now here, which says that engagement of project associate and project assistant under a sponsored project for Hyderabad Zonal Center, and it's a non-regular online recruitment type, and it has started from 9th of October, and the last date of this recruitment is till your 14th of November. Okay, that's the last date for this. Now I'll click on this advertisement and we can read about, so that we can read about everything in this. So this is how the advertisement will get downloaded. Now here you can see it's from your CSIR NEERI, Hyderabad Zonal Center, IICT campus, Tarnaka, Hyderabad. It's a place over here. Now, it's an online interview through video conferencing on MS Teams. Just like Google Meet, there is MS Teams also. So this is on that. Now you have to note down this advertisement number, because, or you have to make sure that you remember this advertisement number, because while filling the form, you have to fill over there that which advertisement number you are applying in. It's uploaded on 19th of October. So that's what it says. Engagement of project associate and project assistant under sponsored project. The applicants are invited from the eligible and interested candidate for online interview through Microsoft Teams. That's what is MS Teams, for the following purely temporary positions of project assistant. There are 10 posts of project assistant and project associate. There is 3 posts of project associate under sponsored grant in aid and consultancy projects at NEERI HZC, that is Hyderabad Zonal Center, Hyderabad. The last date of submission of online application form is 14th of November till 5 p.m. Okay, so that's the basic thing which you need to know. Now the designation, there are 2 positions as I told you, project assistant, for which there are 10 positions. For this, the essential qualification is BSc. That's the essential qualification in botany or microbiology or chemistry or physics or environmental science or geology or agriculture, that is soil science. So in any of these subjects, if you have BSc, if you have done BSc from any of these subjects, in that case you are eligible for this. Age upper limit is 50 years, so it is open for everyone. The job description is field visit, survey and sample collection of air, noise, water waste, plankton samples and sediment samples. So basically this NEERI institute basically deals with the environmental related things, so that's why the work is also going to be related with that only. Sample analysis and characterization of air, water, wastewater, soil, sludge samples. Carry out tests involving molecular biology, microbiology protocols, and analyze plankton, benthos diversity. So that's the work. Compilation, data processing, technical report preparation, and using latest computer software like MS Office, LaTeX, etc. to make that particular complete information, or you can say the complete preparation of the reports. Okay, the monthly emoluments is rupees 20,000 plus HRA. HRA is house and rental allowance, so you will be provided with that also, and 20,000 rupees per month. The second designation is of project associate. There are 3 positions of that, and the required eligibility is MSc in environmental science or BE BTech in environmental engineering or civil engineering, and the upper age limit is 35 years for this. And the work which will require will be basically field survey, sampling, characterization of samples, technical report preparation, then operation and maintenance of equipment like GC. GC is gas chromatography. Okay, then MS FID, that is your mass spectrometry. HPLC, that's a liquid chromatography, high performing liquid chromatography. Then your soil permeability equipment, spectrophotometer, etc. Well versed with meteorological data analysis and air pollution modeling. Knowledge of sophisticated software like GIS and OGIS, etc. is expected, and the amount which they are going to pay per month is 25,000 plus HRA. Now there is something which you have to check out over here, which is a star which is marked over here, and that says, okay, fine, this says that relaxable to statutory groups and women as per rules. Okay, so that's the thing. And here this hash sign over here says that rupees 31,000 per month plus HRA to the scholar selected through NET, CSIR, UGC NET, including lecturership or GATE or any of the national level exam conducted by central government department and their agencies and institutions. So that means if you are applying for project associate position and if you have qualified any of the national level exam, in that case your monthly emoluments will not be 25,000 but it will be 31,000. That's what they have said. Okay, the selection process. What's the selection process? So eligible and interested candidate, those are willing to go and stay in field as per the project requirement. Understand that it's not a lab work. There is much of field work and then the lab work, both combined. So if you are interested in it and want to, like, you are ready to go in the field for this particular work, you can apply for it. Application form of particular position code can be filled online in a particular position, which is available on the CSIR NEERI website. I'll show you how to fill it by going on this particular website later on. Just stay to the video, I'll explain you that also. Now, after online submission of the application form, which last date is 14th of November, the applicants are requested to note down their application number. The applicant need to send the online generated application form in the PDF format. So make sure you are doing that. Like once you have filled the form, just note down your application number and you have to send all these documents in the PDF form. What are those documents? Your educational qualification, your age certificate, your caste and category certificate. All of these certificates you have to make a single PDF and that should be less than 2 MB and you have to send it through email on this particular email address. Okay, so sorry. So yeah, this is the email address which you have by 19th of November. So by 19th of November, you have to send this particular email, and the file name should be your application number, which you are going to get after filling the form on this particular link. Okay, I'll show you how to fill that later on. Okay, only those candidates who have completed the essential qualification and result has been declared are eligible to apply. Means those who are in the final year of BSc, they cannot apply. So if you have passed out BSc, then only you can apply for it. Okay, applications shall be scrutinized by the screening committee. Shortlisted candidates shall be intimated by email. So if you will be shortlisted, you will be sent an email regarding it, and then a short interview will be done on MS Teams. And if you will qualify that interview, okay, date and time of the interview will be told you through the email itself. Now once you qualify in the interview, then you will be called anytime during the allotted time period for this particular work. Okay, for this particular job. It's not a permanent job. That's, you should understand, it's a non-regular kind of position. Okay, the next thing is all manpower position in the project are on contract basis and will be co-terminus with the project. So the project limitation or the project time limit will be the time up till which you will be working. If the project ends in 3 months, your work will be done, like your project, like your position will be diluted at that particular time. The engagement shall not be an appointment in CSIR NEERI, a temporary or otherwise. It would therefore not confer any right / claim, implicit or explicit, for consideration of the regularization or absorption. Means the positions which are here are all the positions over here are on the temporary basis. So you cannot claim that I have been selected in the NEERI. You are just on the temporary basis on this particular position. Okay. Upon selection, the original document including the eligibility qualification, age and relaxation will be verified. If any discrepancy is found, the selection will be cancelled. So make sure you are filling all the complete information. One very important point which is given here, that the candidature of the candidate who do not send the scanned copy of their original document along with the online generated application form through email, which I told you, they should be summarily rejected. Means if you do not send after filling the form, you do not send the documents through email to that designated email address which I have just told you, then your application form will be rejected. No interim inquiries will be entertained in this regard. Okay, let's get back and let's see how to fill the form. Okay, so I guess by far now you have understood what are the eligibility and all those things. Now how to apply? Basically you have to go to this link over here. Okay, this is the link. I'll just copy and paste so that I can open it. I'll give you direct link for this. Okay, by the way, I'll give you the link in the description of this video, so you can directly come up to this particular page. So I'll just paste it here and this will open up a form. Okay, now here you can see this is the page where it says apply online. Okay, so non-regular engagement of project assistant online, just click on this apply online and it says the link will take you to the external site, confirm. Okay, now a new page will be opened up and this is the page. Okay, now here is the field marked with this extrinsic sign is mandatory. So reference of the notification number. So here I told you that reference number you have to remember. Okay, so that was HZC/October 2021/1. Click over here and then select the position for which you are applying. You are applying for project associate or project like assistant, for whatever you are applying. So you just have to select that. Okay, so in case if you are applying for project associate 1, so you can apply for that. If you are applying for project assistant, in that case you can apply for, like, you can just select that. Okay, so after selection they are going to ask you that area of discipline, which discipline it is. So let's say we are going for chemistry, so chemical sciences. You have to apply, you have to give your full name, then whatever details are asked, these are all your personal details, fill them. Qualification details, just fill them. Experience, if you have any, it's not mandatory to have experience, so you can leave that if you don't have. Details of close relative in NEERI or CSIR, if you have any, you can fill. If you don't have, just leave it, and then you just have to click on this agreement and then you have to just submit. Once you will submit, application number will be generated. Note down that application number, and along with that application number, as I told you, that you will be like, you have to send all these 3 documents, like educational qualification document, age certificate, and A certificate means your 10th mark sheet, that will be your A certificate, and your caste certificate to this particular email ID. Okay, this is the email ID at which you have to send by or before your 19th of November. Okay, so you have to send on this, and the subject over there, the file name, basically the file name, the PDF file name should be your application number, and make sure that in the subject also you are mentioning that you have applied for so and so, and that is your application number. So send it over there, and that's how you will be like, you will be considered as a applied candidate. Okay, and then the other process will be done, like shortlisting and interview and other things will be done later on. All right, so I hope the things are quite clear to you. I hope you understood how to apply for it. If you guys are interested, want to go for it, go for it. I have just informed you about the position which was there in this particular institute. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Hey guys, so I teach live on Unacademy Plus platform. Here I teach for the CSIR UGC NET category, and you can follow me over here for regular classes. You can access my free classes as well as my paid classes on this particular platform. The classes which are free, you can get that under the section of special classes, whereas in order to access my paid classes, paid live classes, you have to take Unacademy Plus subscription. So do make sure that you take the Unacademy Plus subscription to access all my paid classes, which are quite organized. The whole syllabus is being completed over there, and the classes are quite regular over there. So make sure that you take Unacademy Plus subscription by using my referral code, that is N_Huda. That's it for this. Thank you so much.